Hello viewers, in this video I am going to show you how to stop using Google Photos until you change these 5 privacy settings. Be sure to watch the video to the very end so you do not make any mistakes, and of course do not forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks guys. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, you go to your photos. Next, your profile icon. After that, tap on setting. You can see that backup. Tap on backup. Scroll down little bit. You can see that three option. Tap on select third option. Now go back to your home screen. Again go to your photos. Tap on profile icon. Next tap on phone setting. After that tap on backup. Tap on backup quality. You can see here two options: original quality and storage saver. Now go back to your home screen. Manage your location data. Now go to your phone camera. Tap on camera setting. Scroll down little bit. Tap on your local text. Go back to your home screen. Now go to your photos. Enter search icon. Check. Now go back your home screen. Check syncing across device. Go to your phone setting. Scroll down little bit. Tap on about phone. Sorry. Go back. Tap on your Google. Scroll down little bit. Tap on your Gmails. Next tap on manage your Google account. After that tap on your device. You can see here your device. Use your fingerprint. You can see that your Google Apps device login this phone. Now go back to your home screen. Now see that turn off auto sharing and face recognition. Now go to your photos. Tap on your profile icon. After that tap on phone setting. Next tap on privacy. You can see that face group option. Your option is already on. Now go back, tap on sharing. Next tap on first option, select partner sharing. You can see that two options, choose starting data and choose photo to share. Select partner. Now go back to your home screen. If we found this video helpful, please subscribe to my channel.